Hi, my name is Dawn Lundquist. I'm with SDL Real Estate Property Management. I've been in the property management business for about 35 years now. What I expect as a property manager, and more importantly, what my owners expect, is reliability, responsiveness, and a fair pricing. Over the years, I've worked with a lot of different plumbers. About a year ago, Brandon from Big B's Plumbing walked into my office. Big B's has been doing all our plumbing ever since. After the first job, they proved to me that they were on time, reliable, got the job done, and in the event that anything happened, they were always back there to get it fixed immediately. What sets Big B's Plumbing apart from the other vendors that I've used in the past is that there's always someone there when I call. They're always on time, they're always respectful, and there's always a fair price for the job that they have done. Even when the unexpected happens, we know we can count on Big B's Plumbing. Big B's Plumbing is the only plumbing company that I recommend.